What's up guys? This is the DJI Mavic Mini, probably the coolest non-professional drone on the market right now, and in my opinion, the perfect drone for beginners. Let me tell you why. First of all, size. Just look at how small this thing is compared to my phone. This is a huge plus because it won't take up much space in your backpack, it won't weigh you down, it's super portable, you can just bring it along anywhere. Second of all, the weight. Only 249 grams means that it goes as a toy, which means you don't have to register it or have a flight certification to fly it. But of course, you have to pay attention to local laws and regulations. Setting it up is also super simple. Just download the DJI Fly app, which is new by the way, and hook your phone up with the controller and follow the in-app instructions to pair the drone. In the app, you'll also find some useful tutorials on how to fly and use the different functions. Once you're charged up and ready to fly, just place the drone in an open space, push takeoff on the on-screen controller, and the drone will handle the rest. Once you're airborne, the drone feels impressively stable. It doesn't have the same collision sensors to avoid obstacles in the air like its older brothers, but it uses GPS and vision positioning sensors to stabilize itself through gusts of wind, etc. So it's super stable in the air. It has 3 different flying modes. You have the positioning, which is the standard for taking off and landing. Then you have the sports mode, which will drastically increase the speed of the drone and its maneuvering skills. And then last but not least, you have CineSmooth, which is the cinematic mode for filming. And what that'll do is that it'll take down the speed and movement of the drone so you got that smooth cinematic footage. A good point why this is the perfect drone for beginners is the automated presets, which are different flying and filming modes which are really hard to do manually, but where DJI has incorporated them automatically in the app. The drone will zoom slowly in or out from the point where you started the drone. The rocket, like its name, will go straight up or down. The circle will film 360 degrees around the point where you started the drone. And the helix is like a corkscrew where the drone films inwards while going up. The Mavic Mini has a range of 4 kilometers, and luckily there is a return to home function, making the drone just automatically come home. When it comes to video quality, it shoots 2.7K at 40 megabits per second, which gives you pretty good image quality in full HD. It has a 3-axis stabilizer and it uses the same sensor as the Mavic Air and Spark. Flight time is about 30 minutes, the same as most drones from DJI, but impressive considering its small size and weight. The battery takes a couple hours to recharge, but if you get the Fly More combo, you'll get 3 batteries and a charger that'll work as a power bank for your phone and the controller. Highly recommended. Overall, the Mavic Mini is an awesome product, and I would say that it's the perfect drone for beginners. It's very much affordable, it's super portable, easy to operate, records decent video quality, and it's just fun to fly. For skilled photographers and video enthusiasts, the weight and size also makes it relevant for them. There you have it, the DJI Mavic Mini.